When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care. And it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.